In the empty capsule market of product homogeneity, KornnacCaps relies on the deep digging of customer needs. Innovatively put forward the strategic positioning of bringing professional capsule solutions for global customers. And developed Gelatin Capsule, Vegetable Capsule, Special Capsule Series. Gelatin Capsule Series includes gelatin capsules, halo, and enteric-coated capsules to meet the different needs of Chinese and Western medicine preparations. Vegetable capsules, which are more stable in performance, green and natural, have been chosen by an increasing number of customers. In addition, we also have a variety of special capsules that are exported overseas, which can meet the regulations and market demands of different countries and regions such as Europe, the Middle East, Japan, and so on. Deeply rooted in China, serving the world. KornnacCaps, new forces of pharmaceutical excipients.